Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Miss.
As per our daily routine, we start our session with a song. So enjoy the
Okay.
song. I will share a video with you. Video is visible. Please mute yourself, all of you.
What is the water cycle anyway? How does it rain? Where does it come from? Water goes up, water comes down. Water goes up, water comes down. Water cycle, round and round and round and round and. Water cycle, round and round and round and round. Well, you know there's water everywhere, but did you know it's also in the air? The sun heats the water, and this I am sure, and it becomes a gas we call water vapor. Water vapor travels
Yes.
up with everyone. It's a living process
Yes.
we call evaporation. Water cycle, round and round and round and round. So the vapor goes up and gets cold in the sky and turns back into water up there so high. These tiny water drops form into clouds that keep growing and making bigger clouds. Clouds are made from water. Listen, everyone. It's a process we call condensation. Water cycle, round and round and round and round. So the clouds keep forming with more and more drops getting bigger and heavier like it won't stop. But then what happens? Do you think you know? The drops start falling as rain or snow. The water comes back down. Listen, everyone. Process we call precipitation. Water cycle. Water cycle. Water comes down. Water goes up. Water comes down. Water cycle. Round and round and round and round and. Water cycle. Round and round and round and round and. Water cycle. Round and round and round and round and. Water cycle. Round and round and round and round and. Water cycle. Water cycle.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you enjoy the video?
Yes.
The video is related which topic?
It's rainbow. It's
Yes.
rainbow.
And
Water.
water. Very good. The video is related a water cycle or a water, right? Water cycle. The video is related a rain. So today we are
Yes.
going to learn, or we are going to see a new topic, that is where from water comes. पानी कहाँ से आता है? Where does a water come? Okay. Again, I'm sharing the screen. See. Wait. See. Lesson number. We already completed our.
It's Marathi.
No. EVS. EVS.
EVS.
EVS. We already completed our 8th lesson. है ना? Now we will see the lesson number 9. Lesson number? Yes, 9. Wait. Video is screen is visible to you all. Screen is visible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Wait for 2 minutes. See.
Miss,
Lesson
page
number
number.
9. Sorry. Sorry, Sakshi. What happened?
No, miss.
Lesson number 9. Where does water come? Can you tell? Choose the right answer and put tick mark next to the proper picture. If your answer is different from all of given picture, write in an empty box. Where do you drink water from? Where do you drink water? Where do you drink? What do you drink water?
Miss, glass.
Yes.
Bottle.
So you can put a tick mark in the glass, right? And
Bottle.
from bottle also. Yes. So you can
Bottle.
yes, you can put a mark in the box of glass and bottle, right? What is second question? See the second question. What is this drinking water stored in? What is this drinking water stored in?
Pot.
Huh?
Pot.
Sorry? These earthen pots, right?
Yes, miss.
These tanks, steel tank,
Yes.
yes?
Miss.
Then you can put it mark on the water storage. And the third question. See the third question. Where do you think this stored drinking water come from?
Miss, well.
Where do you think this stored drinking water come from?
Miss, lake.
Huh? From the lake, river,
Yes.
well, river, dam, वाटर पंप, है ना? ये सभी जगह से अभी आपको पानी कहाँ से आता है वो आपको टिक मार्क करना है, ठीक है? आप पानी किस में स्टोर करते हैं वो आपको टिक मार्क करना है. आप कैसे किस तरीके से किस में पानी पीते हैं वो आपको टिक मार्क करना है. ओके?
Yes.
So you can solve this 53, page number 53. Next, can you tell where does all this water come from? Can you tell? Rain. Very good. Very good. From the answer is this question is rain. From the rain we get a water. All the water that we get comes from a rain. Very good. Very good. The water come from a
Rain.
rain. Yes.
Rain.
Where is rain? When it rains, some water flows over the ground, giving rise to the rivers, Thames, and rivers. When when it rains, come over the ground, that time the water is flow in the river, right?
Yes.
See,
Yes, miss.
we'll show you. We'll explain you first and then we'll show you. Some water collected in a low-lying area, thus lake are formed. A flowing river is sometimes blocked by building or a wall. It's called a dam. When it isn't rain, the water from the dam can be used. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. To obtain this water, we dig a well. This water can also be used out by taking a hand pump and bore well. Sometimes water in the ground come out from the form of springs. See, I will explain you with the help of drawing.
Drawing.
Okay? I will explain you with the help of drawing. This is a mountain, right? I will explain. हाँ
ड्राइंग बनाना है.
नहीं I will explain you with the help of drawing. These are the clouds. Yes. All are able to understood my drawing ना? सबको समझ में आ रही है ना मेरी drawing?
Yes.
These are the raindrops. Yes. These are the raindrops. समझ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, please.
These are the
Rainbow.
no. These are the raindrops. ग्राउंड पे आ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, please.
जब ये ग्राउंड पे आते हैं तो some water flow
River.
the river. Yes, this is a river. Some water store in the lower lying areas and form a lake. This is a lake. कुछ वाटर जो है वो एक ऐसे लो एरिया में सॉरी लेक का स्पेलिंग this is a lake. Some water, when a water come over the ground, that time some water is flow in the form of river. Some water is saturated in a lower laying areas and form lake form हो जाता है. Some in somewhere we stop the river and build a wall. ऐसे wall बनाते हैं river पे and the water is and collect the water. This is a dam. ऐसे water collect करते हैं. This is a dam, and sometimes the water. Wait, we'll show you the picture of dam. Okay, we'll show you the picture of dam. Huh? अरे wait. क्या हो रहा है? जरा रुक जाना।
तो पानी दे वो तो पानी दे ना
Show you the picture of dam.
मालूम नहीं कौन सी है, लेकिन एक बल्कि मतलब वही है।
See,
तो नाम बता दीजिए।
this is a dam. Okay, this is called a dam. When we, this is a dam.
Brown.
We build a wall and stop the river and collecting the water here, and at the time of then you use this water. This is a dam.
Yes.
And this is a hand pump.
ओके
These are the hand pump. See, these are a hand pump. The screen is visible to you now, all of you?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
So, so when it rains, some water flow over the ground, giving rise to the river streams and rivers. Okay. Then some water collecting in lower lying area and thus a lake form. Lake भी हमने देखा कैसे form होता है. A flowing water is somewhere blocked by a building wall, and this is called a dam.
Yes, miss.
Dam का भी picture देखा. I already. When it doesn't rain, जब rain नहीं रहता, the water from the dam can be used. Some rain water seeps into the ground. Rain जो है वो ground में चली जाती है, seep हो जाती है. To obtain this water, we dig a well. कुआं खोदते हैं. This water can also be taken out by using hand pump. हैंडपंप का पिक्चर देखा हमने, वो जो वाटर है जो एब्सॉर्ब हुआ है ग्राउंड में, द वाटर विच इज एब्सॉर्ब इन द ग्राउंड, you use a hand pump to remove this water from the ground. Okay, when you dig a well and use a hand pump or bore well, that time the water which is in the ground is come out. जो पानी जमीन के अंदर है वो बाहर आ जाता है जब आप वेल जो है वो बनाते हैं, नहीं तो हैंड पंप और बोरवेल लगाते हैं तब. Sometimes water in the ground come out from the form of spring. स्प्रिंग के फॉर्म से भी जो ग्राउंड का वाटर है वो बाहर आता है. Some sources of water are formed naturally. However, places like well and dam are man-made. If rainfall decrease, the water store in these places also decrease. You can see such a water resource in your location, taluka and district. Study the district map given alongside and complete the activity. अभी हमें ये याद रखना है कि some source of water are formed naturally. कुछ जो water के source है वो naturally form होते हैं. But a well and a dam are a man-made. Man बनाता है उनको. Dam जो है वो कौन तैयार करता है? Man तैयार करता है ना?
Yes, Miss.
Well,
Yes.
कुआं कौन खोदता है?
Miss Man.
Who will dig the well?
Miss Man.
Man. River. Man can form the river. Can man form the river? Can man form the lake? रिवर है, लेक है, वो मैन बनाता है क्या? कैन मैन फॉर्म द रिवर?
No, miss.
No,
No,
no. These are a natural resources. Okay, these are a natural resources of water, and dam and well are the man-made resources of water. Okay, if rainfall decrease, the water store in this place also decrease. जब रेन जो है वो कम होती है, कम गिरती है, वो टाइम पे वेल का, डैम का वाटर जो है वो उनका भी लेवल कैसे हो जाता है? कम हो जाता है. You can see a such water resources in your locality. अभी हमें क्या देखना है? हमारे लोकेलिटी में, मुंबई रीजन में कौन से तालुका में, कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ऐसे वाटर के रिसोर्सेस है. नेक्स्ट, in a blue box. Okay, how is the river form and how does it flow? अभी river कैसे form होती है? Rain also fall on the high place like mountain. This rain water flow down a hill. Numerous rivulets of water flowing downhill join all together and form a river. A river flows down mountain and floods through the valley and over plain. जो कि हमने ऐसे पिक्चर निकाला है. देखो ये रिवर कैसे तैयार होती है, कैसे तैयार होती है? The rain is come from the higher place, है ना, ऊपर से रेन नीचे आती है. तो ये जो माउंटेन है उसमें से वो नीचे आके बहुत सारे रिवेचुलेट तैयार होते हैं और उससे ऐसे रिवर फॉर्म होती है. इस वे रिवर कैन फॉर्म, है ना? ऐसे ही बनती है ना रिवर. माउंटेन से वाटरफॉल्स आते हैं नीचे, राइट? माउंटेन से वाटरफॉल्स नीचे आते हैं और वो सब वाटरफॉल्स एक साथ मिलके ऐसे रिवर बनती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वाटर बॉडीज. Flowing water and store of water are example of water bodies. Springs, streams, river, lake, reservoirs, creeks, seas, and ocean are all water bodies. These are water resources. Water bodies है. कौन से? Spring है, streams, river, lake, creek, sea, ocean. These all are a water body. वाटर ऑक्यूपाइड रहता है उसमें, इसीलिए उनको कहा जाता है वाटर बॉडी. लैंडफॉर्म, बेटा landform. Due to the high and low level of a land at a different place, land gets a different form. Mountain, peak, hills, hill clock, plateaus, plains, passes and valleys are some of the landform. ये जैसे वाटर बॉडीज है, ओशन, लेक, रिवर, सीज, these are वाटर बॉडीज. वैसे लैंड के जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स रहते हैं, कहीं पर लैंड जो है वो हाई रहती है तो माउंटेन होता है ना. कहीं पर लैंड जो है वो लेवल में रहते हैं, प्लेटिक्स बनता है. कहीं पर पीक होते हैं, है ना. कहीं पर वैली होती है, दो माउंटेन जब ऐसे रहते हैं तो उसके बीच में वैली तैयार होती है. तो ये जो है वो लैंडफॉर्म है. These are water bodies. Which is the water bodies? Which are the water bodies? Sea, lake, river, ocean. These are water bodies. Okay. And the landform, peak, mountain, valley, plateau. These are landforms. Okay. वाटर बॉडीज मतलब पानी के, पानी जिस जिस में रहता है वो पानी की बॉडीज, वाटर बॉडीज. और लैंडफॉर्म मतलब टाइप ऑफ आवर अर्थ. ओके. अपने जो प्लेस है, लैंड है, उसके डिफरेंट टाइप्स, उनको लैंडफॉर्म्स कहते हैं. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अ लैंड, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ लैंडफॉर्म. नेक्स्ट. So now we can recap again this. We recap this topics. That is, you can put a mark. You can put a mark. Where do you water drink? आप किससे पानी पीते हैं? You can put a mark. What is water store? आप घर में पानी किसमें स्टोर करते हैं?
Water bottle.
Yes. Where do you think this store water come from? आप क्या सोचते हैं कि ये जो वाटर है वो कहाँ से आता है? स्टोर्ड वाटर, उसको भी आपको टिक मार्क करनी है. Then हाँ,
सबसे लास्ट वाले में मतलब
then हमने देखा कि the water is come from the rain, है ना. क्या देखा हमने इसके बाद? Water is come from the rain. Then various resources of water हमने देखे. Which are the resources of water? River, lake. These are the natural resources. But well, hand pump, bore well, dam. These are man-made resources, water resources. Which are a natural resources of water? Which are the natural resources of water? Lake, river, yes. Then these are natural resources. And which are man-made resources of water? Yes, hand pump, dam, well, these are a man-made resources of water.
river,
Yes, very good. These are a man-made resources of water. How is the river formed? A rain is fall on the high place like a mountain. Okay. Then a rainwater flow down a hill. This is called a waterfall. And these waterfalls, these many waterfalls are come together and then make a river. Which are the water bodies? Which are the water bodies?
ocean, lake, river,
Ocean, lake, river, sea.
well,
These are a water bodies. And which are the landforms?
well,
Which are the landforms?
lake,
Landform, not water bodies. Landform. Landforms. Which are the landforms?
mountain,
Mountain, hill, peak, valleys. These are a landform. Landform means a type of land which is different from every places. लैंडफॉर्म जो है वो एवरी प्लेस की डिफरेंट रहती है. कहीं पर जमीन ऊंची रहती है, कहीं पर जमीन नीचे के साइड में रहती है, कहीं पर जमीन प्लेन रहती है. ओके, सो द माउंटेन, पीक, प्लेटो, hills, these are valley, these are a landform. Okay, so now today we will stop here. You can read the lesson and the remaining part of a lesson we will conduct in the next lecture. Okay, next remaining part जो है वो हम next period में देखेंगे. But today I will send you the worksheet of a math. You can solve this worksheet. Okay,
yes,
bye.
bye.
Any difficulty? If you have any difficulty, ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.